am I excited to bring you to this place. It will be what, the third bucket list I'm about to check off my bucket list. This is something that I have only seen in photos throughout school, throughout history books, maybe on the History Channel, and I'm excited to see it with my own eyes. Let me take you there. We gotta make our way up all these stairs to show you this location that I'm dying to show you. Oh my gosh, I'm already getting nervous. Oh man, you can feel the wind up here. Alright. About to see the famous Hoover Dam. Ah, I do not like this. I gotta check it off that list. I never knew it was honestly on the side of a road either. This is kind of shocking. I never knew this. Oh man, look at this. Beautiful. I got a question. Are you hanging onto that side because you're nervous?
Yes.
Okay, I'm nervous too, so I feel you. That's what I thought. I want to see this and get this off my bucket list, but it's terrifying.
Yeah.
My girlfriend's leaving me like I'm nobody. Oh man. Do I want to get down so bad? Man, look at all that's what you'd call the Hoover Dam, what you see in them pictures. There's like Mead. Yeah, this was so much bigger than what I was thinking it was going to be. Crazy. It's beyond my heights limit. But I also did fly an airplane here, so it's always good to knock a good bucket list off. But I am ready to get out of here because everything's vibrating. Especially when the semis come. Sheesh. Just insane. Bucket list checked.